Drip and Drift fam! Today we look at a hilarious episode of Nathan For You where we see some pretty sweet slides.
Drip and Drift.
Welcome to another video, guys, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Drip and Drift fam. These clips come from Nathan For You. If you've never seen Nathan For You, hilarious, dry humor, goes around trying to help small business owners. It's out on Hulu, Comedy Central. Go out there and watch it. Season 3, Episode 7, he's trying to help this nail salon out. Now, this nail salon's losing business because after women are getting their nails done, they reach in their bag to grab their keys and smudge their nails they just got done. So his idea to fix this is to have nail technicians on their time off valet the cars. But we have a big problem.
First, I just figured it was people's surprise at seeing a valet run by nail technicians.
Why would she be working my car?
She's doing the valet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then I realized it might be something more.
Do you have your driver's license?
Man, she's a good driver. She has a license.
So because these women think that these nail technicians can't drive, he goes and looks for a real driver.
I went online and found an Asian stunt driver named Verena Mai.
This chick is badass, drifting since the early 2000s, rally before that. She is an OG. If you want to see a reactions video on her, leave a comment down below.
The only thing is the staff at the salon, they all have very thick Asian accents.
Okay.
And I noticed you don't, and I don't want any of the customers there thinking, you know, you're a plant.
What do you want me to say?
I'm trying to counteract stereotypes. The last thing I want to be is do something racist.
Yeah.
I'm not the best at this, but maybe something like, "Oh, would you like me to play a call?" When the first customer arrived and saw her valet, I knew she was probably nervous. But my hope was that once she had finished up with her manicure, Verena would be able to show her once and for all the truth about Asian drivers.
If somebody did this with my car, oh my god. If she did it with my car, that'd be awesome, but not knowing. Oh, and that hit the back wheel. I mean, nothing happened, but oh, that lady's face.
I could now return to Kim, confident that my solution to prevent women from chipping their nails would work.
Drip and Drip fam, that's it for today. Like and subscribe.